Hey bros, welcome to the iBros. It's Izzy here, and guess who else it is?
Daisy!
And we're going to be making amazing cupcakes, and it's the Christmas holiday, so let's get started!
First, we add 125 grams of self-raising flour into our measurement bowl. After that, we add it to our blending bowl. Now, we put the sugar into our measurement bowl, and we need 125 grams of that. And then, we are going to add it to our blending bowl too. Now, we add 125 grams of butter and 2 eggs. Then we blend. It's very fun. Blend it until it's smooth and add it up together. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Be careful. Add 2 teaspoons of milk. Now blend it. And now put the cupcake mixture into the cupcake wrapper. This is fun. Now it's Zay's turn. After Zay's turn, put it in the oven, and it only takes 10 minutes. Look at the cupcakes. They're scrumptious, and it'll be even more yummy when we put the delicious sprinkles and icing. Now this is what it looks like with the icing and sprinkles. Yummy! Merry Christmas!
Happy New Year!